Okay, we power on machine and switch to setup user. Now we're going to show you how to do calibration of this camera. When you place this tube, there are some offsets, and now we're going to calibrate it and make them no offsets. Okay, now we enter with setup user and password is 4818234. Enter. And now we're going to plug in setup user, and before that we should just apply a temperature profile, like temperature profile on your machine, maybe TSTB or TSTT or LEADF or LEAD, the summer profile. So don't change this value because this is critical. It's you can don't change this value. This value all preset. Don't change this. So and make sure this is correct. And also the tubes you used for calibration should be correct. The size of it, the size of the tube, and make sure all this correct. And we just apply it by the select. Okay, now we apply it, and if you want to select the proper summer profile, you can check the index with the index and plus or minus this one, and you can check with the index, and we can back and to the operator and check operator, and you can check with the select BGA. So we have many summer profile, and you can check. For example, if you want to check all the settings, you can check here. Select BGA. And all the settings there, and we back up, and now we're going to set our user. Summer profile and 6 index 6. Okay. We apply it, and after we apply the summer profile, and we can back. Okay, this is a chip. It's a 771. This we use for calibration the tools, the chip, and make sure all in place. See, you can check with the mark, the frame, the line. See, and make sure there's no offset. And you can make the laser with the laser's help. You can open the laser here, make the laser on, and to positioning the center of the tube, make sure the center of the tube, and after that all preparations done. And now we're going to install this vacuum nozzle, and the vacuum rubber, and we install it, and make sure we install it and make it tight. Okay. Why calibration? We don't have to use the nozzle because we are not going to heat. If it starts to heat, we can stop it, and make sure while heating, this nozzle should be put on. If nozzle not on, while heating, we burn out the heating element, because the sensors there. If it's open air, the sensor might affected by bed open there, so that's why while heating we should just install the nozzle. Okay, that's just small notice. Okay, and now we're going and logging the advanced setting, and this password is 719 and 729. 719 729. Enter, and we can check the password here. The password, and make it clear and display it. Now we display it, so it's a 719729, or the password, and different level and different permission. So 719729 is the cheapest level. Okay, and now we're going to enter this page and make sure this is with a mount mode. And now see, make sure it's right, it's placed in well in place, and install this. And now we're going to start the vacuum calibration. And now this junking earth, we open it so we can move the vacuum rod, this one, and we open it, see, make it on. And now we're going to just move the vacuum rod, and we're going to click this, make it down. See, this is with a faster speed. When it's close to the tube, we can switch to the low speed down, move it down for low speed. And when it touches the BGA, okay, when it touches the BGA, we can open this vacuum, and we're going to pick up the BGA. And now I'm going to move it up. Make sure move it up, not move down, okay? Move up. Fast speed or low speed. You better with low speed first and then fast speed while you pick it up. And now we're going to make it back to zero, current position, and back to zero. You see, back to zero. And now we're going to close this movement of the switch of the movement of the rod. Okay, now make it off. And now we're going to reset. Reset is going to make all this current position and Y position back to zero. You can reset. And now we are going to start. Now we're going to start. Make sure all this zero and there's zero. And now we can start, and with mount mode, start. You see what after start, the camera will out for the VGA, and you will put it down, and we can confirm with this button. Okay, after we click this button, we put down the feeder and then pick it up. See, pick it up. And now we're going to do calibration. You see, if you on your camera, there's some offset, you can do adjustments, but the adjustments only with the screws to adjust these screws. Okay, I will use a screwdriver, size 3 with size 3 and size 2. we got 3 screws on the side, on both sides. This side, 1, 2, 3. Only this is 3, and for this is set screw. Set screw is to tighten the bottom 3 screw, and this screwdriver is used for adjusting the bottom 3 one. The bottom one, can you see this one? This one, okay. Got 1, 2, and 3. See, 1, 2, 3, and that one is missing. That one we don't use this. Make it empty, and also this empty. So with 1, 2, 3, and the bottom 1, 2, 3, adjust these screws, these 6 screws, and to make like here is a solder ball, make them overlap. It's the blue solder ball and yellow solder ball. Yellow solder ball is from the pad, and blue solder ball is from the tube. So we adjust these screws to make them overlapped, and the calibration is down. After calibration is down, we can confirm here alignment okay. So we're back. Camera go back, and it's going for the boards. So 2 phases speed, one fast and one slow. Okay, now we don't heat, we should stop the heat. If we don't stop, it will burn out the heating element, so you should stop. And now we check if it's well in place. If it's well in place and the calibration is down and perfectly, so to make sure the calibration is all down, you can check it with the mark. So that's about the calibration. All the calibration, and now we can back and you can check it again. So you can do is to double check if the calibration is done well. Okay, that's all. Thank you.